This video is intended to show you a different way to get the AdventureWorks database onto your SQL Server instance. I know some students were having issues through the script method. I actually found a method that's slightly more simple, and so I'm going to do it through the UCIT virtual lab just to show how this is accomplished. So the first step would be to go to the AdventureWorks link through their GitHub page. You can use the link that I have on the website. There's a few of them. Let me just, so you can just type GitHub AdventureWorks, and it'll be the first result. And so this should look familiar because this is what we were looking at before, and we were installing from option 2 previously, which would run a script to actually generate the database. Instead, there's an alternative way to do it, which would be install from a backup. So first, we're just going to install 2014. So AdventureWorks 2014.bak. All right, that's what we're going to download. So the download should start. Alright, so that's going pretty quickly. In the meantime, I'll just open the SQL Server Management Studio. So that's under SQL Server, I think it's 2017 RC1. Okay, no, SQL Server Tools 17. So you'll see Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 17 here. This is 2017. It won't change anything in terms of what you see and what we do in class. They're pretty similar across different years, versions. So that's opening. When we go to our downloads folder, of course this didn't work. I will close out of Edge and do it through Chrome because that worked previously. So again, we'll go to install from a backup. The samples databases, this will take you to files to download. We'll download 2014. Sorry about that. So 2014, we'll download it. Yeah, so this one's doing what it should. We'll wait for that to finish, and then you can see it's already got a start of the file here. Now it's the full file. Okay, and so where we're going to move this file is in the users folder on the C drive for our particular username. So I'm just going to copy the backup file. So you'll copy it, and you'll go to your C drive. This is not your I drive, your C drive. You'll see users. And then you'll see your, I don't remember what it's called, 6+2 I think. So mine's Riley MY, so I'll double click on that. And then I'm going to paste that file here. Okay, you're going to have to do this every time you make a connection to a virtual desktop because I'm not sure what the heck that was about. You'll have to do this every time you make a connection to a virtual desktop because this C drive is specific to that remote computer and not anything that is shared between computers. So that's there. Okay. The next step will be to log into the SQL Server. For those who have their own PC, you have a SQL Server local instance on your PC. I describe what to do on the UC virtual desktop. It's slightly different. You can do this on your own PC as well. However, it's a local instance and it's not saved. So the server name that you have to put here is open parentheses local db / MS SQL local db. Okay, and then we'll connect. Alright, and so what we're going to do is right click on the databases node here, and we're going to click restore databases. Okay, and I'll bring up a point and click window. We're going to select device for the source, and we're going to click these ellipses here, the 3 periods, to select the file. You'll have this window. You just click add, okay, and it should point you directly to your folder, your user folder on the C drive of this particular computer. And you'll see the backup file here that we moved. So you just double click or open, and you click OK. All right, this is ready to go, and then you just click OK, and it will restore the desktop or the database. So it says it's restored successfully. You press OK. And then you'll see when you go into databases, AdventureWorks is called 2014. It has a 2014 name appended. And you'll open the tables and you'll see all the tables that we've been working with in class. And just to verify that they're there, we'll select the top 1,000 rows. And there they are. So these are the steps that you would take to do this on a UC virtual desktop computer. You have to repeat this step every time, but it's definitely easier than running that script. You can do this same process on your personal computer. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, etc. Have a good day.